guys, are you interested in creating 3D characters? Would you like to learn how to do anatomy, armor, props? If that is the case, then I welcome you to Next's Sci Fi Character Creation Volume 1. My name is Abraham Leal, I have 12 years experience, and throughout this course I will show you how to do this. We'll be using Maya and ZBrush to create a high-poly sci-fi character named Saria, a famous soldier who will stop at nothing to find justice. We'll cover everything you need to know to create this amazing character, including anatomy, hard surface modeling, hard surface sculpting, armor design, proportions, modularity, and even rendering for a great final result of your high poly. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills you need to create not just this character, but any 3D character you can imagine. I'll guide you through the full production pipeline, starting with analyzing the concept and preparing our project. We'll then jump into modeling and sculpting Saria's anatomy, making sure that every detail is in place to create a believable and realistic character. Next, we'll move on to modeling her two suits, an exploration mode and a combat mode. We'll cover everything from hard surface modeling to sculpting to ensure that both suits are production ready and look amazing. This course is designed for the intermediate level students, so you should have a basic understanding of Maya and ZBrush before getting started. You'll need to have the latest version of Maya and ZBrush, or at least 2022 for both of them. At the end, I will also use Unreal Engine 5 as well to prepare some nice renders. So, are you ready to take your 3D skills to the next level? Want to become a master at character creation? If that is the case, then join us and become a great artist in no time.